Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful human hair water wave 360 wig. This video is sponsored by Hermosa hair, so thank you guys for that. It comes with that hidden strap security so you can put this wig up. This is a 360 lace, meaning the lace is going all the way around. I'm also going to show you guys in this video how I achieved putting this wig up, because y'all know I don't really style wigs. I'm going to show you guys how we got to these final results. If you're new here, consider sticking around. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. So you're going to get a nice satin bag to put your wig in. You're also going to get some goodies. We like goodies. This wig is 26 inches. This is what it's looking like right out the pack. This lace is pre-cut, standard cap construction with some combs. You're also going to get an elastic band if you want to wear it glueless. And I like the fact that it's thick and it is adjustable. So now that lace in the back, you're going to get invisible adjustable straps so you can adjust that lace, so you can definitely pull this wig up into a ponytail, which I'm going to show you later. This is what the wig is looking like against my skin. I'm going to tint that. I did start off shampooing and conditioning this wig. I wanted to show you guys how beautiful these curls look when I shampooed it. It was like gliding like butter. And I did set this wig with my Isha setting mousse and I let that dry overnight. So I have already set this wig. This is the next day. So I set this wig with all the products that you saw. I'm going to have a short video on how I wash this wig, how I set this wig, and how we get here, okay? So check it out right here. Let's go ahead and install this wig. I'm really excited because this wig is so soft, guys. It feels so good. I love when I shampoo a wig and it still feels good. Like sometimes they feel like ratty and crunchy, but this wig still feels good. So this is what we're looking like. All right, and the curls aren't hard, so I like that. I really like this setting mousse to set the curls. So let's go ahead and put her on. So I already have my hair flat. I like to go in with my hair flat. You guys know me, I like my braids straight back. You know, this is how I wear my hair for my protective styles underneath my wig. So I'm gonna go in with this HD wig cap that they sent. Normally with these kind of wigs, sometimes I either like to go in with a black wig cap or this wig cap works. These caps are just like thinner and they don't really show through the wig, but we'll see. This one looks a little, doesn't look too HD, but it's like thinner if you could see. So let's go ahead and put that back. I think this HD cap is good for like the ball cap method, if you would like pull it down like here and cut it and do the ball cap, but let's just see how it's looking like with this wig on. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Wow. It's gonna be a winner, y'all. I love this kind of wig. I really love this kind of wig. This is just so me. This is so me. I just love it. So as you guys see, this wig is pre-cut. I didn't have to cut this wig. It already came like this. I love that. The hairline looks really good. I don't have to pluck this wig. I don't have to do anything to this wig except just put her on. You can wear her glueless if you would like. Just match the wig to your complexion, but I'm gonna go ahead and fully install this wig because I want to get the full potential of this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. I'm gonna talk this part through, then come back and tell you how we got our final results. So I'm going to start off tinting the lace with this Kiss Colors and Care lace tinting spray. You can use makeup or whatever to match your complexion to make it look as natural as possible. So I'm just placing the wig on. I'm trying to get a feel for it. I didn't know if I wanted to go in glueless, but I decided to go in and secure this wig. So I'm just getting it in position and setting it up for my lace adhesive spray. I also did cut off just a tad bit of that lace just in the front to match my natural hairline. So you can secure this wig with glue. Today I'm using lace adhesive spray. This is not glue. This is a temporary adhesive. I have a lot of videos to show you guys exactly how I feel about this, but it actually gives a really good hold. So I do like this Kiss Colors and Care lace adhesive spray. I actually take my wigs off at night, or sometimes I'll wear it for a few days, and this gives a really good secure hold in my opinion. But I've showed you guys plenty of options and you can use whichever one you like, but this one is a good one. I really wanted to make this wig melt and look as natural as possible, so that's why I'm like pressing in the lace. I'm using the blow dryer before I apply my melting band. Like I want this wig to be dry before I put on the melting band, and I also do want that hairline to be nice and kind of combed back, because I noticed once you put on the lace adhesive spray, the hair is going to get hard. So I'm basically setting it in position before I use that melting band. So I did the other side off camera, and I'm just going to melt this wig for about like 15 to 20 minutes. As this wig is setting and drying, I'm just gonna go in. I know I did set this wig off camera the night before, but I'm just kind of refreshing the curls a little bit because this is a human hair wig. So the beauty of it is once you move it and it gets frizzy, apply a little bit of water, a little bit more mousse or product, and the wigs are gonna get right back curly. So as you guys see, I took off that melting band and I'm just getting all that crust off of it. I like to go with my comb and kind of do this little maneuver just to break up that adhesive and get that hairline just to pop. So we don't want it to look hard. We want it to look nice and soft and realistic. So I'm also using a little bit of alcohol that helps break it up. If you notice, I'm also kind of holding the lace down and just getting off all that excess adhesive. I'm putting a little bit more spray on here. I'm trying to secure this wig, y'all. Like at first I was gonna wear it for a couple days, but I ended up taking it off. But honestly, this wig would have lasted for a few days, y'all. This hairline was popping. If you do all of that, look at this hairline. Look how realistic we're looking. So now I'm just cleaning up that hairline. You definitely want to wipe off all that excess adhesive spray. We don't want to look crusty. We don't want to see any glue on our forehead. We want to look natural and realistic. So I'm looking up. That's kind of a trick. If you look up, you're going to see the whiteness of the lace sometimes. And I'm going in with the leftover makeup on my foundation brush. Then I'm just applying the darker shade on my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, just to kind of contour. It's like a contour shade because we want this wig to look as natural and realistic as possible. Okay, so I'm also going to apply just a little bit of soft, subtle baby hairs, like swoops, not even baby hairs, just swoops. I like the yellow Got To Be Glue gel for this on these human hair wigs, and even on the synthetic wigs, it really does hold it down. Wigs like this that are curly, I like these little soft swoops, y'all. Like, y'all let me know in the comments if you like swoops or if you like a clean hairline, but I feel like it's still clean with this. I'm also applying this melting spray with my brush. I find that that's easier. This is the Red by Kiss melting spray, and I like it. This is just final touches to the lace, just to melt. We want to melt this wig and make it look so realistic. And again, the beauty of this human hair wig, because when you move it, it's going to get a little frizzy. Use your water to freshen up the curls. You can absolutely part this wig, but I decided just to go with the flip over. Like, look how beautiful and effortless this wig looks. Final touches, and that's it. Okay, my friends, so I am finished installing this wig, and she is a beauty. Look at this wig. She's gorgeous. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show you guys the back, like the 360, and put it up in a style. But first, I want to show y'all this flip over, because you can't go wrong with a flip over with a water wave. Like, just look at it. I'm like vacation vibes right now. So again, this is a 360 lace. You're going to get lace going all the way around. You're not going to get lace right in the middle. You're gonna get tracks here, but the lace goes all the way around, y'all. So that's why we're getting this 360. You also get the lace in the back, so you can put the wig up, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. This wig is actually really lightweight. I like how light it feels, and even though it's so lightweight, it looks really full. So I like that. I also did like the way this wig shampooed and conditioned. This is really, really pretty. I believe this wig is 26 inches, and she's true to length, y'all. She is true to length. This is a really good price for this wig. I love how soft this hair feels. I did add some water, as you guys saw. Once you start playing with the curls and stuff, it gets a little frizzy, but I just added a little bit of water to bring it back, and as you saw, I didn't add any extra mousse, and it came right back. So I love that. I did go under this lace with some lace tinting spray. Today I used this Kiss Colors and Care lace tinting spray. Y'all, it's the same thing as the other one I showed you guys, the Red by Kiss. It's all the same. They're all the same. And I did melt it with this Kiss Colors and Care spray as well. The hold feels good. So you can wear this wig glueless if you want, but to me, I feel like if you're going to be styling this wig, this kind of needs more of security. In my opinion, it needs more of a hold. And I love the way this is melted. Like, she's melted. She's looking beautiful. You're going to get a lot of parting space in here if you want. This lace actually goes all the way down, y'all. Like, look at this lace. So you're gonna get this lace all the way across in the front. So this is beautiful. Let me go ahead and style up this wig and then wrap this up. I'll be back in a little bit. So because this wig is a 360 wig, I normally do not style my wigs. Once I put them in position, I leave them alone. But because this is a 360 wig, I was like, I have to show y'all what the updo is looking like. I have to show y'all what that lace in the back is looking like, because that's one of the beauties of this 360 wig. We can do a ponytail, even though the ponytail might hurt your arms, but we definitely can do a ponytail. And because this is a human hair wig, it is so soft. Applying just a little bit of water goes a long way to bounce back these curls, to refresh the frizziness. Human hair wigs really are the jam. You're gonna get the longevity of your wig versus a synthetic wig. So I was just playing with this ponytail. I decided to go on with like a loose, messy, curly bun. I didn't want it to look too uniformed. I just want it to look nice and cute, you know? So I'm securing it with some bobby pins, and it was coming together really nicely. Again, I'm getting those curls back in order with a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse. Once you add that, these curls will pop and come right back to life as soon as it sets. So now I'm just gonna get the back part of that wig together. I didn't go in with any adhesive or glue. The beauty of these invisible hidden straps is that, you know, you can adjust the back of this lace without any glue or adhesive. So I'm just gonna apply some bobby pins to secure it, and I'm gonna tuck that hidden strap right in up underneath the lace. Now initially, because there is lace on the back of this wig, I was kind of fumbling with the bobby pins, but once you get her in position, it's good to go. I'm also pulling down a little bit of hair to hide some of that lace. Again, we just freshen up the curls just a tad, and that's it. This is the ponytail. It is so cute. I had to make my camera higher. I'm sorry if it got cut off a little bit as I was showing you guys how to do it. That was kind of hard to film. Anyway, this is cute. This is so cute. I don't know why I don't style my wigs. I don't, but you absolutely can style this wig, and I'm here for it. Look how cute this is. I'm in love. I'm in love. So I do suggest that you go in and you secure the front, because when you're going to put this wig up, it's going to be sliding. It's going to be moving all over the place. Now in the back, I do like the fact that I did not have to secure the back with any glue or adhesive. I just went in with a little bit of bobby pins and I secured it, and I did pull some hair down kind of to hide the lace a little bit, and you can get away with that. So I love that. I love how natural and realistic this is looking. So let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like it down? Do you like it up? I'm here for either way. Thanks again to Hermosa Hair for sponsoring this video. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.